Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track Amazon order with tracking ID, right? So before starting, let me just tell you that there is a lot of sellers on Amazon. There are third-party sellers and there are direct sellers on Amazon. So there are so many orders where you can find that the seller is sending your that product directly. So in that way they provide your tracking ID, but you have to go to the third-party service or UPS and all that, and you have to enter the tracking ID, and after that you can track. But Amazon provide this kind of solutions here, so you have to just go click on the three lines which is on right bottom side, and after that you have to click on orders, right? And after that, well, I have no orders, but if you have any orders you can just see here, right? And after that, if you click on that product, it will show you that where your order is currently right now, and in this way you will able to track that order or that product, right? So this is it guys, this is pretty very easy, and I hope you found this video really easy. And if you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.